Hi, I'm Chris, and today I'll show you Xanatek when integrated with Lightspeed Voice. This integration allows you to receive call pop-ups on inbound and outbound calls, along with call data and a link to the call recording saved into Xanatek automatically. To get started, you'll need to set up a new integration within Lightspeed Voice's Quantum platform. First, log into Quantum using the credentials provided to you by Lightspeed Voice. Once you've logged in, navigate to the left side of the screen and click on Management, Lead Settings, Integrations. In the upper right corner, click the plus icon to create a new integration. Enter the name Xanatek for the integration and select Xanatek as the vendor. Let's now determine which users in your office should have access to this integration. To do this, under the Users section, click the toggle button next to the name of any user you want to grant access. If you want to grant access to all users, click on the Select All option and then click on the three dots to assign them all at once. Now, in the upper right corner, you'll need to authenticate your connection to Xanatek. Enter your Xanatek credentials and you'll establish the connection between Lightspeed Voice. You'll also need to enable triggers in the section below to activate them. When I answer the incoming call, a box will appear in the upper right corner displaying the caller's information with an option to start a call note. I can enter any details I want to track about the call, and once I'm finished, I'll click Save. After the call ends, by navigating to the caller's contact page and selecting the Communications tab, I can view relevant details related to that call, including a link to the call recording. This has been setting up our Xanatek integration, and thank you for choosing Lightspeed Voice.